Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 7 and let me show you how to activate backup to Google One. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select System and click on Backup. And now all you have to do is set up and turn on here. And if you are already logged in with your Google account, it will be applied automatically. However, if you are not, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account, along with the password. So that's it. Then you can also back up all data right now, or you can wait till it's done automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. But we can smoothly click backup now, then provide the screen lock password, and as you can see, backupping my data is in progress. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.